Morning everybody. So when you tell people that you actually have a group where you share mentorship and signals, people don't believe it, and some they drag their feet because now you don't have any proof to show for it. Here is the group. It has 35 members already. Now I wanted to check the results. I wanted to see when I say that the group is doing wonders. You should see what I'm talking about. Look at that. It's all blue. In this group I don't believe that I've seen a loss. Look at that. Profits from all the students that I have here. Look at that. We go. There is the analysis that I usually share. We go. Look at that. Profits all blue. Nasdaq killed. Look at that. Look at the analysis of my students there. Look at that. Guys, come on. Look at that. Profits running blue. Look at that. The robot. When I say that I'm selling the robot, people think I'm joking. Look at that. Students are winning. They're winning all the way. Look at the analysis. Come on, guys. Come on. Look at that. The student turning. This one turned 5,000 into 20-something. This account turned into 20-something thousand. Look at that. Perfect results. Look at that. I don't care if it's a small account or what. Look at that. Doing great. I told you guys that I've said, look at this account. It was this one. Now look at this. Small accounts. Look at that. 3,400 being killed. Let's go. Look at that. Take profit hit. Guys, I told you can only join 350 rands or $25. When you pay that amount, is for 3 months. I will add you for 3 months in the group. We continue with the results. 5,000 being made. Look at that. Perfect results. Look at that. That is a video. We continue. You people are busy complaining here, saying that you want proof. By the time I give you proof, that is the time you should have made a lot of money. Now here's the proof. People have made a lot of money already and you still want proof. Look at that. Come on, guys. You still want proof. I don't have time to prove to you now. I have time to make people make money. Look at that. Perfect results. Look at that. 19,000 account balance. Come on, guys. What more do you want? Great results. Look at this one. This one was scalping and he managed to make a lot of money here. This one was scalping. People with the robot. Come on. What more do you want? There is the robot. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you still want more more proof, then I don't know what more you want. Here are my students making money. Pay that 350 rands or $25 if you are from other countries. For 3, I will add you in the group for 3 months. Then you can renew after if you want to. After 3 months. 350 rands only. Join the group. We're making wonders here. Cheers.